What's up, guys? Ivan here from Cape Strong Lawn Care, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Bing Places account. So it's very easy to do. I'm going to walk you step by step. Let's go. So first things first, we're going to start off by going to bingplaces.com, and you're going to go ahead and sign in with either your Facebook or Google account. Right up here on the top right corner, you're going to see an option to sign in. So I chose Google, and I signed into my Gmail. And you're going to see this screen right here. It's going to say, hey, either verify your business with your Google Business Profile, which you'll instantly verify your Bing listing and everything's going to be synced directly to Bing, or on the right side, claim an existing listing online or make one manually. So we're going to click on claim or add business manually. And you're going to see this little screen right here. It's very easy. What is your business type? Small, chain, online, small, and then it's going to say type in your phone number or business slash professional name, location, right? So let's just say lawn care and location, just as a zip code locally here. Okay, it's going to search Bing Places to see if you have anything online that you can claim that's yours. Obviously, there's nothing here that we can claim, so we're going to go down here and click my business is not listed in the search results. Okay, create new business. And we're going to be prompted here to set up the account. It's very easy to do. Should take like less than 4 minutes to do. So Cape Coral Lawn Care. Make sure this business name matches your official business name. Whatever's on your documents, on your LLC, on your insurance paperwork, all that stuff has to be matching word for word. Okay. Next, phone number, just random number here. It's gonna be a fake number, but whatever your main number is, make sure you type it in. Okay. And then next, we're going to go to address, whatever your address is. Now, here's the thing. Okay. If you're operating from your house, like for example, if you do a lawn care, but obviously you go to customers' houses, but you live in a regular house, this is going to be a service-based business. So that means you should technically not have your address showing on the maps. Okay. Because no one's coming to you, to your house to do business. However, this can be a different story if you're renting a suite number or have some kind of warehouse which has some kind of signage of your business, in which case you can publicly show the address. So in this instance, we're going to be making a fake address, but let's just assume it's going to be a fake address of somebody's house, right? So let's do just random street. I don't know where that is at all. Cape Coral, Florida, and website. Make sure you start out with HTTPS or HTTP. Easy way of doing it is going up to the search bar and just copying and pasting your URL of your website. So I can type it in manually. Okay. Next. Skip this for now. Okay, so we're going to skip this for now because it's asking you, do you want to drag this location to your specific business, right? So for example, if you have a storefront or if you have a warehouse, a suite number, you can drag it and place it anywhere you want, right? However, we're not going to do that because we don't have an exact location and we're not going to show this location. That's the main thing, okay? So we're going to get click next and we're going to click our broad category. So for lawn care, we're going to go to home services, okay? And then under more specific category, lawn, all right? Service. Bing, they make it really easy because they're a bit more specific about service-based businesses than Google is. So we're going to click here, primary category. Just make sure you select lawn service. And under description of your business, make sure you keep it sweet and to the point. 3, 4, 5 sentences max, okay? Write this up, no fluff, no selling, just to the point of what your business is, what you do, and which city you cover, right? That's about it. Don't throw your number in there, nothing else, just description of your business, right? So I'm going to, of course, write something very short here so we can move through. Okay. Click next. Okay, service area. Do you deliver goods and services to your customers at the location? I would say yes, because at their location, meaning that I'm going to the customer's house. Okay, so then it's going to ask you, okay, what's your service area? So we're going to put Cape Coral. All right, it's cool. And then are customers expected to visit your address? Well, at least for me, no, obviously. Unless you had a suite number in a warehouse, in which case you could put yes. But we're going to put no because it's supposed to be a residential address. Store code, skip that. Is this a business or a professional? You could put it's professional. But either one I think works. I don't really think there's a difference. Click next. Okay, type in your email address. So just say capecorallawns@gmail.com, fake email. And then make sure your Facebook, Twitter, Yelp, TripAdvisor, they're all match the exact page URL. So for example, I have a Facebook account here. Just make sure it's going to match. All right, Facebook. And I don't have Twitter, Yelp, or TripAdvisor, but if you do, it should look just like this, right? It's the main account / your page. And sometimes if you don't have your exact page set up with a custom name, it's going to be a whole bunch of numbers and digits. That's okay. It's still, you can still paste it in here. Okay, let's move on next. Okay, let's add some photos. At the bare minimum, make sure you add a logo. And then once it uploads, then you can make sure to categorize it as a logo so Bing knows, hey, that right here should go in the front. Okay. From there, with Bing, set up all your photos right from the get-go because once everything goes live, it takes them a long, long time to update anything that you add there. So just get this set up properly from the get-go. Have at least like 10, 15 photos of your work, of your employees, etc. So right now, just for example's sake, I'm just gonna put the logo, click next. You work any specific hours, you work 24/7. I don't recommend it for doing business service type businesses. Specific business hours is more legit. For example, put Monday 7 a.m. and Tuesday 5 p.m. right? And you can do that every single day that you work. And then of course, if you close any certain days, just don't click, and it's going to say closed. If you work specific hours on holidays or you're closed, you can update everything right here, but we're just going to unclick that and move on. So the last part's going to be your verification process. And this could be the part that it might throw you off if you haven't seen this video. It's going to say, hey, we're going to give you the chance to get a postcard in the mail so you can verify your business. However, you can't click verify now at all. So you're going to be wondering, what are you supposed to do? Well, I wonder the same thing. So I typed up Bing Places customer support or support chat, right? And they have a place that actually lets you talk to them. So customer support. You're going to click your region. Okay. And then let's find United States. English, chat with us. And you're going to see a little pop up here. And it's going to, of course, say business hours are closed. However, once this is during business hours, Monday to Friday, you're going to be able to get somebody on the line here and talk to you and pretty much tell them, hey, look, just try to set up my Bing Places location. I need to verify it. It's not giving me the option. They're like, okay, sorry to hear that. They're going to say, just what is your business name? What's your email address? And you provide that to them. And then they're going to send you a link to click on so you can upload all your business documents so you can verify your location. This is very similar to what Google does. So you want to have official documents like your insurance information, your LLC, your any kind of business license, anything that matches your address and your business name, all in one place. The more, the better, of course. And once you upload those things, they're gonna stay in touch with you via email, and they're gonna kind of give you updates as to, hey, here's how everything's going. It should be a little longer. Oh, here's some more documents we need. So let's close this out really quick, and let's see what it looks like once you kind of get out of that screen, right? So you can see here, this is what the page looks like. Up here it says verification not started, and here's the same little box, right? So once you kind of get some correspondence going with the representative, it's going to look something like this: Microsoft Advertising Support. And as you can see here, for me, I got verified 2 days ago or a day and a half ago, and it took just about 7 days in total. They keep in touch with you and they're very professional. So here's the main thing to keep in mind is that even though it went live, it won't, sorry, it went live. It got verified. It's not going live until February 22nd. Okay. So they say, hey, once you get this verification confirmation via email, go up there into your listing and update all the information possible. Make sure everything looks right. Make sure you have all the photos, because if you try to do it later, it might delay the going live process, or it'll take a while for it to actually update, like I said earlier. So make sure you take care of that for right from the get-go. Obviously, it tells you right here as well as right here. So that's pretty much it. That's kind of what it takes to verify this. Quite frankly, easier than doing it with Google, but Google is far more valuable than Bing in this regard. But hey, it's still something. So this should really take you no more than an hour or so to set up, and of course, no more than a couple of days to get everything verified. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, just comment below with anything. I'll answer it. And if you want to see more videos like this, and of course, any lawn care content, please subscribe and you'll be notified when something new comes out. So see you in the next one.